Yo, so I've been editing and making content for 7 years, and I've learned things that would have saved me years of time if someone just told me from the start. So I made a list of things that are straight up free game just for you. And by the end of this video, you will not feel stuck and you will be ready to lock in. Number 1, edit as much as you can. When I started to be serious about video editing around 7 years ago, I posted every day for a whole year in 2020. And not only did I grow my following, but I also grew as an editor. Best advice I can give you is make your video better than the last one. Your first few edits will be trash, and that's the point. The point is to gain experience by trying it out. There's many people who make one video that they try really hard on, and then it flops, and then they quit. Take it slow. There's no need to go crazy on your first video because it will most likely flop, and now all those hours spent on it just go to the trash. Number 2, content ideation. Now, you can't edit if you don't know what to edit. So find what you want to do and look at successful people and see what makes them successful. I got it! Nobody on this earth is 100% creative or original. People copy each other all the time. Thing is, what separates successful people who copy and people who copy but get no success is that people who succeed copied like an artist. They copied to an extent but added personal ideas too that made it unique. Number 3, consistency. I know this is a bit overstated by people, but consistency really is key. I believe everyone can succeed if they stay consistent enough. Thing is, it gets to a point though. If you post for 5 years straight and get no results, then consistency isn't the problem. The whole point of consistency is to gain experience. This is also when you're watching tutorials, learning, trying new things. What type of creator do you want to be? Make plans and stick to it. Don't just start making random videos, bro. And if you want to meet other editors who are on the exact same grind as you, I build a community where you guys can help each other and stay consistent. But I'm gonna be real with you though. None of that consistency matters without the next thing that I'm about to talk about, which is content. If you've been consistent for a while, but there's no results, either you haven't been consistent enough or your content is just trash. Which most likely your content is trash. You see, what I mean by being consistent is staying consistent with uploads, but also with quality. That's when it gets harder. But it's like you need to make your videos look nice, but also post frequently, which just makes everything harder. Thing is, if your goal is to post daily, it's okay to miss a few days if it means you're gonna add a bit more to your videos, as long as you're always working on content. It becomes bad when you make your video, post it, then doom scroll all day or go out for the week. Yes, you need breaks, but you also need discipline. This one is crucial because I know a lot of you just be on TikTok doom scrolling. I know it's addicting, bro. I personally struggle with it too. And I make the excuse and say it's content ideation, which in a sense it is, but instead of doom scrolling to random stuff, doom scroll about content, about how you can make your videos look better. This way you're also getting information, plus you're getting inspired. I mean, you clicked on this video because you were interested on this stuff. And technically you're doom scrolling right now, but you're doing it the right way because I'm giving you useful information. Also, small interruption, I was gonna add an equipment section to this. I get a bunch of people asking me for my PC specs and what the best computer for editing is. So if you want me to make a video on all that, then like and subscribe and I'll make sure to lock it in. Number 6, we got ideas. Having good content ideas is ideal, but it's not necessary. Remember how I told you that nobody's 100% creative or original? Well, there's a few people who naturally are just better at things and have better ideas. Not to sound cocky, but I'm one of those people. And this is why I was able to see growth with minimal consistency. Yes, I was consistent on Instagram for a year, but that's when I started. People love my stuff so much that they wanted me to make tutorials, which I did, on this channel, which I was able to grow to 100k subs with just 40 videos. I was posting like once a month, but my videos were getting views and my videos had something different. You see, when I started making editing tutorials, there was nobody else like me. All the tutorials you will see on YouTube were low quality screen recordings with captions and non-copyrighted background music, while my videos were 4K, funny, entertaining, and they were educational too. So naturally, I became different. I stood out and people remembered me. Number 7, standing out. Standing out is what made all these people blow up. And I can't specifically tell you what to do because that's on you. If I give you my ideas, those are my ideas. Thing is, if you copy me or if you copy somebody else, people are just gonna call you a clone. Which you don't want that. You need to find yourself and try your best to do something that's never done before. And that's the hardest part of all of this. Technically, this is advice towards creators. I know this video is more for editors, but I personally built a brand, which I understand not everyone wants to do, but these things still apply to editors. But some editors are just editors. I want it to be more than just an editor. Number 8, failures. There's a specific reason why I made it this far in this video without talking about failure. I talked about how your content can be trash and not seeing results, but failure is different. Failure is the state or condition of not meeting a desired or intended objective. Which the thing is, I've never really had a failure, or at least I never saw it like that, because I just have a crazy good work ethic that everything I do just works. If I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna do it the right way without cutting corners. Sure, I've experienced moments where an edit or video didn't perform like I wish it did, but that's part of the game. Nothing is promised. You can gain it all, but also lose it all. What's important is that you understand that, and understand that the time and effort you put in matters, and that all those failures and successful moments that you had is what makes you experience. And having more failures is what helps you learn from your mistakes. You become a better editor or creator, but you also become wiser. Which, number 9, mindset. If I'm being real, you low-key need a strong mindset for this. If you easily get discouraged, you won't last at all. You need to judge yourself, but in the sense of, how can I improve? How can I get seen? Instead of, bruh, this video flopped, and then taking a month break. Bro, I've been doing this for years, and I've also came across other creators along the way that were so good, but they ended up quitting and now work a regular job. Thing is, they were amazing at what they did, but they had a horrible mindset, which just killed their motivation too. A lot of people ask me, how do you get motivation to create? And well, it's really all in the mindset. I'm not always motivated to create, but I've created this thing where I tell myself, I'm gonna lock in. And I changed my mindset. It's a bit easier said than done, but it just takes time and practice. Number 10, money. Yes, I know we all need money to survive, especially in 2026. And well, if you're putting all your time into something, it also has to make sense financially. So I think it's important to know how to sell yourself, or how to sell your work, skills, and or products. Which, by the way, is also why I built a community for video editors who want to actually get paid what they're worth. When you join, you instantly get access to an editing course and live sessions ran by my student Hacks. If you want to be one of the first to join, click the first link in the description and I'll see you inside. I will also be talking to you guys in there from time to time. I'm not going to get too into the money topic because that can be a whole separate video. But for you to even get to that money part, you got to make sure you follow the rest of the list. Anyways, that's going to wrap up the video. This is the second weekly upload after my comeback. So if you want me to continue these weekly uploads, like this video. It's that simple. Also, I'm going to need video ideas, so comment what videos or tutorials you guys want to see. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Deuces. So, yeah. I'm going to let this video hit that 8-minute mark. So, yeah. Don't mind me. I'm just here. Yeah, like this video, support your boy so I can make more videos. All right, there it goes. Bye.